As Eid approaches, it's time to elevate your style game with our newest collection of men's watches. Whether you're looking for a classic timepiece to complement your traditional attire or a sleek, modern design to add a touch of sophistication to your look, we've got you covered. Our latest collection features a diverse range of styles, from elegant dress watches to rugged sports watches, all crafted with precision and attention to detail. Here's a sneak peek at some of the standout pieces. 1. Classic elegance. 2. Sporty sophistication. 3. Modern minimalism. 4. Statement pieces. 5. Smart technology.
'Hope you like this video. We will back with another video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.